Hey there, space cadets. Astro the Alien here, your guide to the cosmos. Buckle up, we're about to blast off on a thrilling adventure through space and time. Get ready to explore the universe from its very beginning. We'll journey through billions of years, we'll learn how stars are born and galaxies swirl. Our universe is a vast and mysterious place. But don't worry, it's also incredibly awesome. With me, Astro, as your co-pilot, you'll learn all about the wonders of space. So, what are we waiting for? Let's launch into the great unknown and uncover the secrets of the universe. Fasten your seatbelts. We're going back in time to the very beginning of everything, the Big Bang. Imagine everything squeezed into a tiny, super hot, super dense speck. It was so small you wouldn't even be able to see it. Then boom, the Big Bang happened. It was like a giant explosion of energy and light. This incredible event marked the birth of our universe. The Big Bang wasn't your typical noisy explosion, though. It was the rapid expansion of space itself. The universe started expanding and cooling down. It's been stretching ever since, like a giant cosmic balloon being inflated. After the Big Bang, the universe was like a giant soup of tiny particles. These particles were so small you wouldn't even be able to see them under a microscope. But these tiny particles were busy. They were zooming around and bumping into each other. As the universe cooled, these particles began to stick together. They formed the building blocks of everything we see in the universe today. These building blocks would eventually create everything from the largest stars to the smallest grains of sand. Pretty amazing, right? Pretty amazing. Billions of years ago, gravity started pulling those tiny particles together. These particles clumped together into giant balls of gas and dust. As these balls got bigger and bigger, they got hotter and hotter. Finally, the pressure and heat became so intense that a star was born. Stars are giant balls of burning gas. They're like giant cosmic furnaces that release light and heat. They twinkle and shine so brightly in the darkness of space. Some stars are small and cool, while others are massive and hot. Our Sun is a medium-sized star, and it's just the right size and temperature to support life on Earth. Section 5. Galaxies, starry cities in space. Stars are not loners, they like to hang out in groups called galaxies. These groups can contain anywhere from a few million to over a trillion stars, all bound together by gravity. Galaxies are vast collections of stars, gas, dust, and planets held together by gravity. They are the building blocks of the universe, each one a massive, complex system. Think of galaxies as giant, swirling cities of stars. Just like cities on Earth, galaxies can be bustling with activity, with stars being born, living out their lives, and eventually dying. They come in all shapes and sizes. Some are small and compact, while others are enormous and sprawling. Some are spiral-shaped, like our own Milky Way galaxy. These galaxies have beautiful winding arms that are filled with stars, gas, and dust. Others are elliptical or irregular in shape. Elliptical galaxies are more rounded and can range from nearly spherical to elongated. Irregular galaxies, on the other hand, lack a distinct shape and often appear chaotic. Galaxies are so far apart that it would take millions of years to travel to even the closest one. The vast distances between them are filled with the emptiness of space, making each galaxy an isolated island in the universe. Can you imagine looking up at the night sky and seeing millions and millions of galaxies? Each tiny speck of light is a galaxy containing billions of stars. Each galaxy is filled with billions of stars. It's mind-boggling. And within these galaxies there are countless planets, some of which might even harbor life. The universe is a vast and wondrous place full of mysteries waiting to be discovered. Section 6. Our cosmic home, the solar system. Now, let's zoom in on our very own corner of the Milky Way galaxy, our solar system. Nestled within one of the spiral arms of the Milky Way, our solar system is a tiny yet fascinating part of this vast galaxy. Our solar system is like a cosmic family with the Sun at its center. The Sun, a massive ball of burning gas, provides the energy that sustains life on Earth and governs the movements of all the planets. Around the Sun, 8 planets orbit in a delicate dance. Each planet follows a unique path or orbit around the Sun, creating a harmonious and dynamic system. These planets come in different sizes, colors, and compositions. From the rocky surfaces of the inner planets to the gas giants of the outer solar system, each one has its own story to tell. There's Mercury, the speedy messenger. It's the closest planet to the Sun and has a surface covered in craters, much like our moon. Venus, the hot and hazy planet, with its thick, toxic atmosphere and scorching surface temperatures, Venus is often called Earth's sister planet due to its similar size and composition. Earth, our home sweet home. It's the only planet known to support life, with its vast oceans and diverse ecosystems. Mars, the red planet, is a cold desert world with the largest volcano and canyon in the solar system. Jupiter, the gas giant, is the largest planet, with a great red spot that's a giant storm. Saturn, the ringed wonder, is famous for its stunning rings made of ice and rock. Uranus, the icy giant, has a unique tilt that makes it spin on its side. And Neptune, the furthest planet from the Sun. It's a cold, blue world with strong winds and storms, including the Great Dark Spot, similar to Jupiter's storm. Each planet has its own unique features, making our solar system a fascinating place to explore. From the volcanic activity on Io, one of Jupiter's moons, to the icy geysers on Saturn's moon Enceladus, the solar system is full of wonders, waiting to be discovered. Section 7. A closer look at our neighbors. Let's take a quick tour of our planetary neighbors. Our solar system is a fascinating place, filled with diverse and unique worlds. Each planet has its own story to tell and characteristics that make it special. Mercury is a rocky planet and the smallest of the bunch. It's the closest planet to the Sun, which means it experiences extreme temperatures. During the day, temperatures can soar to 800 degrees Fahrenheit, while at night they can plummet to minus 290 degrees Fahrenheit. Despite its small size, Mercury has a significant iron core, making it one of the densest planets in our solar system. Venus is scorching hot and covered in thick clouds. These clouds are made of sulfuric acid, making the planet's surface a hostile environment. Venus is often called Earth's twin because of its similar size and composition, but its surface temperature can reach up to 900 degrees Fahrenheit, hotter than Mercury, despite being further from the Sun. The planet's volcanic landscape is constantly reshaped by its active geology. Mars is known for its red, dusty surface, which is due to iron oxide or rust on its surface. It's home to the tallest volcano in the solar system, Olympus Mons, and the deepest canyon, Valles Marineris. Mars has been a focal point for exploration, with rovers like Curiosity and Perseverance providing valuable data about its geology and potential for past life. Jupiter is a gas giant with a giant red spot, a massive storm that's been raging for centuries. This planet is the largest in our solar system and has a strong magnetic field. Jupiter's atmosphere is composed mainly of hydrogen and helium, and it has at least 79 moons, including the 4 large Galilean moons, Io, Europa, Ganymede, and Callisto. Saturn is famous for its stunning rings made of ice and rock. These rings are incredibly complex and are divided into 7 groups, each containing thousands of smaller ringlets. Saturn is also a gas giant and has over 80 moons, with Titan being the largest. Titan is unique because it has a thick atmosphere and liquid methane lakes on its surface. Uranus is tilted on its side, which makes it unique among the planets. This tilt causes extreme seasonal variations, with each pole getting around 42 years of continuous sunlight, followed by 42 years of darkness. Uranus is an ice giant with a composition that includes water, ammonia, and methane ices. Its blue-green color comes from methane in its atmosphere, and Neptune is a deep blue color. It's the farthest planet from the Sun and is known for its strong winds and storms, including the Great Dark Spot, similar to Jupiter's Great Red Spot. Neptune's atmosphere is rich in hydrogen, helium, and methane, and it has 14 known moons, with Triton being the largest. And of course, we can't forget about our own planet Earth. Earth is the 3rd planet from the Sun and the only one known to support life. It has a perfect balance of conditions, including liquid water, an atmosphere rich in oxygen, and a stable climate, which makes it a haven for a diverse range of life forms. It's the only planet in our solar system known to support life. From the vast oceans to the towering mountains, Earth is a dynamic and ever-changing planet. Its biosphere is teeming with life, from the smallest microorganisms to the largest mammals. The presence of human civilization has also left a significant mark on the planet, visible from space as glowing cities at night. Section 8, Earth, the blue planet. Earth is a truly special planet. It's a beautiful blue and green oasis in the vastness of space. Earth is the perfect place for life to thrive. It has the perfect temperature, just the right amount of sunlight, and plenty of water. These are all essential ingredients for life as we know it. From the towering mountains to the deepest oceans, Earth is teeming with diverse life forms. We're lucky to call this planet our home. Remember to appreciate our planet and all its wonders. Let's do our part to protect it. Section 10, Reaching for the Stars, Humans in Space. Humans have always been fascinated by the stars. We've looked up at the night sky for centuries, wondering about our place in the universe, and in the last few decades, we've taken our first steps into the cosmos. We've sent rockets into space, landed on the moon, and even sent rovers to explore Mars. The International Space Station is a testament to human ingenuity. It's a giant laboratory in space where astronauts from all over the world live and work together. These missions have taught us so much about our solar system and beyond, and there's still so much more to discover. Section 11, An Everlasting Adventure. As we continue to explore the universe, we're bound to make incredible discoveries. Who knows what wonders await us in the vast expanse of space? Maybe we'll find evidence of life on other planets, or maybe we'll unlock the secrets of dark matter and dark energy. The possibilities are endless. One thing's for sure, the adventure of space exploration is just beginning, so keep looking up at the stars, stay curious, and never stop exploring. This cosmic adventure is far from over, space cadets. Until next time, this is Astro the Alien signing off.